Hello everyone, I am Professor Ashwini Naik dealing with the subject Income Tax for BCom 5th semester. Today we are going to have a brief introduction about the subject Income Tax. Before we move on to the syllabus, let us understand the objective behind introducing this subject for 5th and 6th semester of BCom. First objective is to gain the knowledge of the provision of income tax to make the BCom graduates more responsive and relevant to the changing Finance Act and Income Tax Act. The second objective is to make the BCom graduates more knowledgeable in the field of income tax so that they can be self-employed as tax practitioner. That means after learning income tax during 5th and 6th semester of your BCom course, you will gain enough knowledge about the subject so that you can be self-employed as a tax practitioner. As for other subject we have 5 units, for income tax also in total we have 5 units. Let us understand the syllabus of each unit in brief. So our first unit is Introduction. Under Introduction, we are learning meaning and certain very important terms that we use while studying the subject income tax, such as person, assessee, assessment year, previous year, income, that is definition of income and concepts of income. After that, gross total income, deemed income, rate of income tax, different income tax authorities, kinds of assessment, assessment procedures, and PAN. To talk about the first unit is all about theoretical. Coming to second unit, it is exempted income and residential status. That is, second unit is classified into two. One important concept is exempted income and second one is residential status. Under exempted income, we are going to learn agricultural income, that is its meaning and aggregation under section 10. Practical problems on exempted income concerned only with individual and firm. And second part of second unit is residential status. Under this, we are going to understand rules for determining residential status of individual, firm and company, and need to determine the residential status, then incidence of tax and residential status of individual only, and after that we are going to learn problems. Second unit is theoretical as well as it is practical oriented unit, wherein we are going to solve problems on residential status and the tax liability falls on individual based on his or her residential status. So second unit is combination of both theory as well as practical. Coming to third unit name is income from salary. This is a practical oriented unit. That means we are going to solve n number of problems on income from salary. That is, first we understand the concept of salary, then we understand what is allowances, perquisites, retirement benefits, deductions, computation of income from salary and practical problems on salary. Coming to fourth unit is income from house property. Income from house property is also a practical oriented unit. That means we are going to solve problems under this unit. Under income from house property, we are going to learn the meaning of annual value, what is let out property, self-occupied property, deemed to be let out property, deductions, computation of house property income, and practical problems on house property. So, fourth unit is all about the problems or the practical sums. Coming to fifth unit and the last unit under the subject income tax is income from business and profession. That is, first one is income from business of only individuals, and under that we are going to see what are the basis of charge of income from business. Then we are understanding the meaning of business, what is depreciation and other permissible deductions, allowable expenses under section 30 to 37, disallowable expenses, computation of income, business income, etc. And second part of fifth unit is income from profession. Under income from profession, even this is concerned only to individuals only, and under this we are going to learn basis of charge of income from profession, meaning of profession, computation of income from profession of lawyers, doctors, chartered accountants, architects, and practical problems based on receipts and payments and income and expenditure account. So fifth unit is also a practical oriented, that is, we are going to solve sums under fifth unit. Coming to next part, I would like to tell you about the weightage each unit has from final exam point of view. So these are our 5 units that we are going to study throughout the semester. First unit is introduction of income tax subject and certain basic concept that we are going to learn under first unit. It is completely theoretical unit. Second unit is exempted income and residential status of individual, which I said it is combination of both theory as well as practical problems. Third unit is income from salary, which is purely a problem oriented or practical oriented unit. Fourth, income from house property also is practical oriented unit. Fifth one, income from business and profession, is also a practical oriented. Now, first unit introduction. In examination, from this unit 2 marks, 2 to 3 questions can be asked. For 5 marks, 1 definite question will be asked, and this unit has less weightage compared to other 4 units, because as it is only theoretical one, questions based on section C are asked very less in the previous year question papers. Therefore, first unit is important to understand the subject income tax. To understand second, third, fourth and fifth unit. First unit is what we can call it as base or foundation for all other units. But the weightage that it carries is comparatively less to second, third, fourth and fifth unit. Therefore, 2 marks question as well as 5 marks question is expected from this unit. Next, second unit is exempted income and residential status of individual. From this unit, 2 marks, 2 to 3 questions are expected. 5 marks, 1 question is expected, as well as section C or section D, 1 question is expected. Third unit, income from salary. It has weightage in all the 4 sections, that is section A, 2 to 3 questions can be asked from this unit. Section B, 1 question. Section C or section D, 1 15 marks question can be asked from this unit. Coming to fourth unit, income from house property. Even from this unit, 2, 5 as well as 15 marks question is expected. Fifth unit, income from business and profession. Same weightage as it is in case of second, third and fourth unit. 2 to 3 2 marks questions can be expected. 5 marks 1 question and 15 marks 1 question either under section C or under section D is expected from this unit. So this is what we had to see in today's class, that is the brief introduction about the subject or the syllabus of income tax which you are going to study during 5th semester of your BCom. Next class we are going to start directly with the syllabus of first unit, that is we are going to learn the very basic concept or terms that are used in income tax subject. Okay, so see you in the next class.